Getting your bank connected or uploading a CSV file is really just the first step. When those transactions hit your QuickBooks feed, they aren't actually part of your official accounting books yet. They are just sitting in a holding area. You have to review and categorize them so QuickBooks knows exactly what each deposit or purchase was for. Today, I'll show you how to fetch your latest data and categorize it cleanly. Let's dive right in. Look over at your left-hand menu, click on All Apps to expand the full list. Scroll down to the Accounting section and select Bank Transactions. This brings you to your main feed. If your bank is linked directly, the very first thing you want to do is hit the Update button in the top right corner. This forces QuickBooks to refresh the connection and download any new transactions that just cleared your bank account. If you are practicing in a test drive account like I am here, you'll already have a list of sample data sitting waiting for you. Look down at your main transaction list. You want to make sure you are in the Pending tab. This is your inbox for everything waiting to be processed. Click anywhere on a transaction row to open up the Detail panel. When the panel opens, look at the top left. Make sure the Categorize option is selected. This is where you act as the translator for your books. First, select your transaction type. Next, use the From / to box to select the customer who paid you or the vendor you bought from. Next, drop down to the Account box. This is actually where you select your income or expense category, like advertising. And then you can select the product or service. You can also add a memo and upload a file. Once everything looks correct, go down to the bottom left and click the solid green Post button. It instantly leaves your pending list and is officially recorded. Now, pay close attention to this part. Sometimes when you open a transaction, QuickBooks will suggest a match. This means it noticed you already manually recorded this receipt or invoice payment earlier, and it found the exact dollar amount. If you see this, always select the Match option instead of Categorize, and then hit Post. If you ignore the match and categorize it as new, you will duplicate the transaction and seriously mess up your numbers. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that Joined button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.